Silvestre Hernando Bello III, born June 23, 1944, is a Filipino businessman and lawyer from Isabela, who served as the Secretary of the Philippines, Department of Labor and Employment, and concurrently Presidential Advisor on the peace process, under the Duterte administration. Bello was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte to replace Rosalinda Baldos as the Department of Labor Secretary. Bello was a former Justice Secretary, Solicitor General and representative of isang BAP party list during the 16th Congress of the Philippines. In July 2022, he presented his credentials to President Tsai Ing-wen as de facto Philippine Ambassador to Taiwan. Bello was born in Gataran, Cagayan, on June 23, 1944. He obtained his Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from Manuel L. Quezon University in Quiapo, Manila, in 1966. He earned his Bachelor of Laws from Ateneo de Manila University Law School in 1970. Bello worked in private practice and became active in several civic and human rights groups during the Marcos dictatorship, such as the Free Legal Assistance Group, FLAG, the Justice for Aquino, Justice for All, JAJA, Movement, the Coalition of Organizations for the Restoration of Democracy and the Coalition for the Protection of Workers' Rights. He was appointed by then-President Corazon Aquino as an Undersecretary of the Department of Justice. Bello served as Justice Secretary when he resigned to run for the Senate as a candidate of Fidel V. Ramos, Lakas CMD party in the May 1992 elections, which he lost. He was then appointed to several government positions by President Ramos, such as the government negotiating panel during peace talks with the CPP-NPA-NDF, before running again in 1995 for governor of Isabela but lost to Benjamin D. He was then reappointed by President Ramos as Solicitor General from September 23, 1996, until February 3, 1998, when he was reappointed Secretary of Justice. In June of that year, he was also concurrently reappointed as Solicitor General, which he occupied until the end of Ramos' presidency on June 30. He was the chairman of the government negotiating panel for talks with the CPP-NPA-NDF. He served as president and CEO of PNOC Development and Management Corporation from November 2004 to December 2005. From January 2006 to December 2006, he was the General Manager and CEO of the Philippine Reclamation Authority. He was a presidential advisor for new government centers from July 2007 to July 2008. He served as Cabinet Secretary during the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. He later served as Secretary of Labor and Employment during the entire term of President Rodrigo Duterte from 2016 to 2022. After which, Bello served as Chairperson of the Manila Economic and Cultural Office, representing the Philippines to Taiwan, during the presidency of Bongbong Marcos, until he stepped down in September 2024. Following the arrest of Rodrigo Duterte in 2025, Bello serves as Duterte's legal counsel. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.